Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey from the spiritual heart of Punjab, Amritsar, all the way to the bustling capital city of New Delhi. And we're doing it in style and speed aboard the incredible Vande Bharat Express. Our journey begins at the Amritsar railway station. There is always a unique energy here, connecting people from all walks of life. The Vande Bharat Express runs between Amritsar Junction and Old Delhi Station. This train leaves Amritsar Junction at 8:20 am in the morning and reaches Old Delhi Station at about 1:50 pm in the afternoon. So, get ready to witness the efficiency and comfort of India's modern railway as we experience the Vande Bharat Express on our way to Delhi. The interior of this train is very comfortable. The legroom is quite impressive, and these reclining seats will definitely make the journey relaxing. As we leave Amritsar behind, the scenery transforms into the beautiful agricultural heartland of Punjab. It's a treat to watch the vibrant fields go by. Vande Bharat Express lives up to its name. The speed is definitely noticeable, allowing us to cover a significant distance in a shorter time. This train passes through 7 popular railway stations to reach Old Delhi Station. The entire train journey takes 5 hours 30 minutes in total. The ride quality is surprisingly smooth, even at high speeds. You barely feel any jerks or vibrations, making it a very comfortable journey. A key part of the Vande Bharat experience is the onboard catering. You will have morning tea, breakfast and lunch during the journey. We are now nearing Old Delhi Station. You can start to see the outskirts of the city, a stark contrast to the serene landscapes we have been passing through. And just like that, we have arrived Old Delhi Station. The journey was incredibly efficient and comfortable. We arrived at our hotel in Delhi. This hotel is located in Paharganj, near New Delhi railway station. Now we are going towards India Gate. As you know, India Gate is a symbol of the sacrifice of our country's brave soldiers. In the evening, this place is illuminated and looks very beautiful. It is not just a historical site. It is a place where people come to relax, enjoy the cool breeze, and spend time with loved ones. You can see families picnicking and kids playing. It is a real slice of Delhi life. As the golden hour baths the city, there is something truly special about India Gate. This iconic arch, standing tall as a tribute to Indian soldiers, is even more captivating in the soft evening light. Built to commemorate the soldiers of British India who died in World War I and other conflicts, India Gate is more than just a monument. It is a symbol of sacrifice and remembrance. Look at the intricate details in the sandstone, each carving tells a story. Designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens, the gate evokes the architectural style of the ancient Roman triumphal arches such as the Arch of Constantine in Rome. Behind India Gate, there is a statue of Subhas Chandra Bose, also known as the Netaji statue, is a monolithic statue made of black granite, dedicated to Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose, Indian freedom fighter and Commander-in-Chief of Indian National Army. Now, just a short distance away lies another significant monument, the National War Memorial. While India Gate commemorates soldiers of the past, this memorial, inaugurated more recently, honors the brave hearts who have served and continue to serve India since its independence. The design of the National War Memorial is truly unique. It comprises 4 concentric circles, each representing a different aspect of warfare. The Amar Chakra, circle of immortality. The Virta Chakra, circle of bravery. The Tyag Chakra, circle of sacrifice, and the Rakshak Chakra, circle of protection. It has been built to honor and remember soldiers of the Indian Armed Forces who fought in armed conflicts of independent India. The center of this memorial is called Amar Chakra. This structure of the memorial derives its name from the Amar Jawan Jyoti, continuously burning at the center of the monument. Take a look at these walls of the Tyag Chakra. Inscribed here are the names of soldiers who have made the supreme sacrifice for the nation. It is a truly humbling experience to witness the sheer number of names. It really brings home the immense cost of conflict and the bravery of these individuals. Our next destination is the Param Yodha Sthal. The Param Yodha Sthal houses the statues of all the 21 recipients of the Param Veer Chakra, India's highest military honor. The Central Vista area, located near Raisina Hill in New Delhi, was originally designed by Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker during British colonial rule, and was retained by the Government of India after independence. A project was launched in 2019 for the redevelopment of the Central Vista areas. Under Central Vista Redevelopment Project, the 3 km long Central Vista Avenue was refurbished and redeveloped with construction of new bridges over canals, pedestrian underpasses, wide footpaths, new parking lots, more green areas, benches as well as trees. It was inaugurated on the 8th of September 2022 by the Prime Minister of India. As the last rays of the sun disappear, India Gate takes on a new charm under the soft glow of the evening lights. The energy here continues, the conversations flow, and the memories of this beautiful sunset linger in the air. The way the memorial is lit up in the evening is beautiful and respectful. It creates a sense of peace and allows for quiet contemplation. The India Gate is illuminated at night, especially in the evenings, enhancing its beauty and attracting many visitors. The area around the gate is also brightly lit, with fountains displaying colored lights, making it a popular spot for people to gather. The lighting of National War Memorial in the evening is absolutely amazing. This monument is spread over 40 acres of land and was built by the Government of India around the existing canopy, near India Gate. It was completed in January 2019 and unveiled on the 25th of February 2019 in an inauguration ceremony held at the monument by Prime Minister of India Shri Narendra Modi. Amar Jawan Jyoti at the center of the Amar Chakra, symbolizing the undying spirit of our fallen heroes. The atmosphere here is distinctly more solemn and reflective. You can see people walking around slowly, paying their respects. So, that was our evening, exploring these two significant landmarks in Delhi. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel for more travel adventures, and let me know in the comments below if you visited these places or if you are planning to.